Marketing yourself as a Pilates teacher, tip number 1. Before you start marketing yourself, you really need to be very clear about why it is that you teach and who your ideal client is. Once you have that clarity, it's much easier for you to write your posts on social media, to write your newsletters, and to decide on what advertising you want to do for your studio, for your classes if you're not a studio owner. So really sit down and think, well, what is it that took me on this journey to becoming a Pilates teacher? I think for the majority of us, it's because we want to help other people. We want to help them experience the benefits that we ourselves have experienced through Pilates, the way that it has changed our lives. And once you start teaching Pilates, you have the tools to be able to take other people on this journey with you. So what an amazing why to be able to say to people that due to my own injury history or due to my own journey, I believe so passionately in this particular movement modality that I want to share it with you and help you to experience the same benefits I did. Isn't that much more exciting than just writing on your website, I teach Pilates? People are going to feel like they can connect with you. And then if you're also very, very clear about the people that you want to work with. So maybe you're a horse rider and you can say, I just love helping horse riders get stronger and to be able to keep their seat better when they are riding. Or if you really love working with golf, I really thrive on helping golfers improve the way that they hit the ball, or whatever it is. I mean, I don't play golf, so I can't give you a compelling argument for golf. But whatever it is that really spins your wheels and gets you excited, those are the things that you want to communicate with your prospective clients when you are doing your marketing.